We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, today we will see about the organic reactions and mechanisms. The organic reactions are chemical reactions involving organic compounds. The basic organic chemistry reactions are addition reactions, elimination reactions, substitution reactions, pericyclic reactions, rearrangement reactions, and redox reactions. A reaction mechanism is the step-by-step sequence of elementary reactions by which overall chemical chain occurs. Before going to the reactions, we have to consider several terms like nucleophile, electrophile, free radicals, and many more. So let us first see about the nucleophile. What is nucleophile? The properties of nucleophiles and how they influence the other molecules in the chemical reaction. Nucleophile, a reagent which can donate an electron pair in a reaction, is called nucleophile. The name nucleophile means nucleus loving and indicates that it attacks regions of low electron density in substrate molecule. Nucleophiles are generally electron rich. The examples are chlorine, bromine, iodine, cyanide, hydroxyl group, then CH2 minus group, ammonia, amino group, water itself, and hydroxyl group in many organic molecules. Electrophiles, which accept the electron pair in reaction, are called as electrophiles. Electrophiles means electron loving and indicates that it attacks regions of high electron density in substrate molecule. Generally, electrophiles are electron deficient, so they contain positive charge in the particle. Example includes hydrogen ion itself, chlorine plus ion, bromide ion, iodide ion, nitrate ion, then tertiary carbon atoms which contains positive charge can be also regarded as carbocation and many more. Organic reaction. Reaction mechanism is the step-by-step sequence of elementary reactions by which overall chemical chain occurs. Although only the net chemical chain for most chemical reactions, experiments can often be designed that suggest the possible sequence of steps in a chemical reaction. As we can see in the mechanism, there is an attack of nucleophile in the tertiary carbon so that the overall transition occurs with the help of intermediate and ultimately produces the product itself. So there is no limit to the number of possible organic reactions and mechanisms. However, certain general patterns are observed that can be used to describe many common or useful reactions. Each reaction has a stepwise reaction mechanism that explains how it happens, although this detailed description of steps is not always clear from a list of reactants alone. After that, the types of organic reactions, for example, some substitution reactions follow an addition and elimination pathway. This overview isn't intended to include every single organic reactions. Rather, it is intended to cover basic reactions. Organic reactions can be organized into several basic types, and there is a one category always be there for particular type of organic reactions. Types of organic reactions includes addition, substitution, elimination, rearrangement, and organic redox reactions. Generally, in the organic addition reactions, type of reaction, electrophilic and nucleophilic and radical type of particles involved. Halogenation, hydrohalogenation, and hydration are the suitable examples for this type of reactions. Elimination reactions includes dehydration from the molecule. So it produces the elimination of water moiety. Substitution reactions, the famous examples are SN1 type of reaction and SN2 type of reaction. This involves nucleophilic attack on the tertiary carbon and produces the final product. Organic redox type of reactions, it involves the oxidation and reduction processes through which it will produce specific type of organic compounds. Rearrangement reactions, it involves neither addition, neither elimination or substitution, but it involves rearrangement of the particular moiety inside the molecule. Addition reactions are in the electrophilic addition, the addition of reactive reaction where in a chemical compound a pi bond is broken and two new sigma bonds are formed. The substrate of the electrophilic addition reaction must have a double bond or triple bond. The driving force for this reaction is the formation of electrophile. It contains a positive charge that forms a covalent bond with electron-rich unsaturated single bond. Positive charge on X is transferred to the carbon-carbon bond, forming a carbocation. So in this reaction, the formation of carbocation is a mandatory to proceed the reaction. Addition reactions in the electrophilic type, it involves the general demonstration. Like we can see that the particular reactants involves XY molecule with the double doubly bonded the ethyne molecule, and that produces the addition of X and Y element to the double bond of a particular doubly bonded organic compound. So here you can see there is an addition of X and Y, it will produce type 1 of product, and then if the addition of Y occurs, then type 2 of product form. Addition reactions involves step 1 and step 2. In the step 1, the positively charged intermediate combines with Y element that is electron rich and usually an anion to form the second covalent bond. In step 2, the same nucleophilic attack process found in an SN1 reaction. The exact nature of electrophile and the nature of positively charged intermediate are not always clear and depend on reactants and reaction condition. Addition type of elimination reactions, electrophilic reactions. It involves dihalo addition reactions, hydrohalo addition, hydrohalogenation, hydration reactions, hydrogenation, oxymercuration reaction, hydroboration oxidation reaction, and the Prince reaction. After that, in the nucleophilic addition, to where the addition of several moieties take place, and in that the same thing will happen. The chemical compound a pi bond is removed by creation of two new covalent bonds. For example, the hetero multiple bonds like carbonyls, imines, and nitriles. Nucleophilic addition. In that, for example, in the ketone, the addition of hydroxyl molecule take place and formation of unstable hemiacetal. Nucleophilic addition to the carbon hetero double bonds. Addition reactions of nucleophile to carbon hetero double bond such as carbonyl, cyanide triple bond show a wide variety. Therefore, bonds are polar, have a large difference in electronegativity between the two atoms. Consequently, carbon carries a partial positive charge. This makes the atom the primary target for the nucleophile. Here is a demonstration that how the nucleophile attack from the back of the carbonyl carbon, and ultimate removal of the hydrogen proton and formation of final product. Nucleophilic to carbon hetero double bonds. This type of reaction is also called as 1,2 nucleophilic addition type of reaction. The stereochemistry of this type of nucleophilic attack is not an issue when both alkyl substituents are dissimilar and there are not any other controlling issues such as chelation with the Lewis acid. The reaction product is a racemate. Generally, it produces the mixture of racemic compounds. Addition reactions of this type are numerous. When the addition reaction is accomplished by an elimination, the reaction type is nucleophilic acyl substitution or an addition elimination reaction. These are the examples for the carbonize to where the different type of compounds is formed. For the nitrides, that how it occurs to the different compounds and the reactions involved in that. For the imines and other compounds, nucleophilic addition to carbon-carbon double bonds. The driving force for this addition to alkenes is the formation of nucleophile X that forms a covalent bond with an electron-poor unsaturated system. Here is the demonstration of how carbon anion is formed. Carbon anion generally carries the negative charge on the intermediate. Nucleophilic addition to carbon-carbon double bonds generally are not susceptible to nucleophilic attack. For example, styrene reacts with toluene with sodium to produce 1,3-diphenylpropane through the intermediate carboanion. Substitution reaction. The reaction in which an atom or group of atoms in a molecule is replaced or substituted by different atoms or group of atoms are called substitution reactions. Here are the examples that the reactions between the methane and chlorine elements to produce the methyl chloride and one molecule of hydrochloride. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is a fundamental class of substitution reaction in which an electron-rich nucleophile selectively bonds with the or attacks the positive or partial positive charge of an atom attached to a group or atom called the leaving group. The positive or partial positive atom is referred to as electrophile. These reactions can be classified broadly as nucleophilic substitution at saturated carbon center or nucleophilic substitution at unsaturated carbon. Nucleophilic substitution at unsaturated carbon, saturated carbon centers. These reactions are SN1 type and SN2 type. S stands for chemical substitution and N stands for nucleophilic attack. In SN2 reactions, the addition of nucleophile and elimination of leaving group take place simultaneously. SN2 occurs where the central carbon atom is easily accessible to the nucleophile. By contrast, the SN1 reaction involves two steps. SN1 reaction tends to be important when central carbon atom of the substrate is surrounded by the bulkier group, both because such groups interfere sterically with the SN2 reactions and because a highly substituted carbon forms a stable carbocation. This is the basic general mechanism of SN1. This is the general mechanism of SN2. If we compare the SN1 with the SN2, there is the attack of nucleophile from both sides of the carbocation. But in the SN2 type of reaction, the attack of nucleophile is from the less worchial side of the given carboanion. So there is an inversion take place from the starting material, which is originally dextro or levo rotary conformation. Nucleophilic substitution at unsaturated carbon centers. Nucleophilic substitution by SN1 and SN2 mechanism does not generally occur with vinyl or allied alkyl halides or related compounds. When the substitution occurs at carbonyl group, the SL group may undergo nucleophilic SL substitution. This is the normal mode of substitution with carboxylic acid derivatives such as SL chloride, esters, and amide. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution is a substitution reaction in organic chemistry in which the nucleophile displaces a good leaving group such as a halide or an aromatic ring. Here is the example in that to where halogen is removed away and nucleophile added to the benzene ring. Here is the example of nitration, that how nitric acid attacks on the benzene ring to replace the one of the hydrogen and get attached to the benzene ring to produce nitrophenol. Here are the few more examples with the formation of nitronium ion from the nitric acid and subsequent production of nitrobenzene with proper mechanisms. Here is another example of sulfonation to where the sulfur group is attached to the benzene ring. Mechanism of sulfur with the demonstration of the nucleophilic attack on the electrophilic as pushing charge out onto the electronegative oxygen atom. It involves generally 3 steps and the subsequent formation of sulfonyl benzene. Halogenation is generally the addition of halogen takes place to the benzene ring. It is called an electrophilic aromatic halogenation. This organic reaction is typical of aromatic compound and a very useful method for adding substitution to the aromatic system. Here is the mechanism that how it will occur through the formation of the different reactive species take place. Reaction mechanism. The mechanism of iodination is slightly different. Iodine is treated with oxidizing agents such as nitric acid to obtain the electrophilic iodine I+. Unlike the other halogens, iodine does not serve as a base since it is positive. Halogenation aromatic compounds differs from the halogenation of alkenes which do not require a Lewis acid catalyst. Scope of these reactions involves the formation of the compounds which is used in the formation of frangine and other polycyclic compounds. Halogen of phenols is faster in polar bonds due to the dissociation of phenol, with phenoxide ions being more susceptible to electrophilic attack as they are more electron rich. This is a typical example of chlorination of toluene with the formation of chlorotoluene. This is another example of the tetrachloromethane in contrast where the reactant is 2-phenyl ethylamine. The another example is the food dye erythrosine can be synthesized by iodination of another dye called fluorescein. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you very much.